Known as the queen of fruits, the mangosteen is protected by a thick, bitter armor.
But beneath the purple shield lies a delicate treasure that requires the most careful harvest in the world.
A single drop can turn the flesh to stone. Welcome to Harvest Motion, the art of the mangosteen harvest.
Precision begins in the canopy. These trees can grow up to 25 meters, demanding expert climbing and reaching.
The reach. Specialized poles allow harvesters to select individual mangosteen without damaging the tree.
Gravity control. Every mangosteen must be delivered to the ground with zero impact to avoid gamboge hardening.
Nature's indicator. The number of petals on the bottom matches the exact number of segments inside the mangosteen.
Transport. Once gathered, the one-flow process begins, moving the fruit to the cooling facility within 2 hours.
Heat removal. Reducing the field heat is critical to stop the ripening process of the mangosteen. Sanitization. High-pressure air jets clean the delicate sepals without using harsh chemicals.
Ripeness grading. AI sensors categorize the mangosteen into 6 distinct color stages, from light pink to dark purple.
Human touch. Even with AI, experienced sorters check for the subtle give of a perfect mangosteen.
Automation. Robotic handling ensures the delicate skin remains free of scratches or fingernail marks.
Atmosphere control. Adjusting oxygen levels extends the shelf life of the mangosteen for up to 4 weeks.
Keep it steady, bring it straight back now. All right, I got it. Clear on the sides.
The enemy. Internal yellow sap occurs if the fruit is dropped, making the flesh bitter and inedible.
Byproduct. The rind is rich in xanthones, used in the pharmaceutical industry for antioxidants.
The taste of perfection. Sweet, tangy, and cooling. The reward of a perfect harvest.
the size ring tool being used for manual calibration.
Modernization. High-yield orchards now use lifts to increase speed and safety for workers.
Close-up. A ladybug crawling on a mangosteen leaf, indicating low pesticide use.
Make sure this one goes out with the first shipment.
Understood. I'll load it now.
A delicate balance of tradition and technology. The perfect harvest of the mangosteen. Experience the ultimate tropical indulgence. Pure, protected, perfect.